Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. So let's see one new job. The type of job is government job that is coming from CISF Constable and Fire 10+2 requirement 2024. Okay, so let's see the short information about this job. The Central Industrial Security Force, we can also call in the short form CISF, has announced the recruitment for the post of constable and fire for 2024. Interested male candidate who have completed their 10+2 with the science can apply online from 31 August to 31 August to 30 September. The requirement cover vacancy for the various category across the different states. Read the full notification for detail on state-wise vacancy and eligible criteria for the selection process and more. Okay, you can read the notification. He publishes our notification. Let's talk about the important dates. So application already started 31 August. The last date is 30 September, and then your exam will be conducted. Already the schedule you can read from his notification, and your admit card will be published before the exam. Okay, so let's see the application fees. For the general, EWS and OBC category, they should pay 100 rupees, and for the SC/ST category, no need to pay anything. Who need to pay? You can pay through debit card, credit card, net banking, or UPI. Okay, so let's see the age limit. Your age will be count from 30 August 9 2024. Your minimum age should 18 years and maximum 23 years as the relaxation as per CISF rule. You also get the some relaxation as your category wise. So let's see the total vacancy is 1130, and subcategory are divided like if your category, means general category 466, OBC category 236, and EW6 114, and SC 153. For the ST 161. So let's see the eligibility criteria. Eligibility criteria is education qualification 10+2 intermediate with the science subject. If you are commerce students or arts students, you can't be applied this job. So this is especially for science students. Physical standard is height should be 170 centimeter and chest should be 80 to 85 centimeter. Only for male. Women can't be applied for this job. Okay, so these are the some important link. You can go through it. For registration, you should be click on this link. So this page will be open. You can enter here your name, and same name you should be enter here, so your name will be verified, and then you are change your name any 10th and 12th class. So yes or no, you need to select. Okay, father name, verify father name, same name, mother name, and date of birth. Like this you can register first. Then after the register, you need to go his portal where you need to go here and apply for this job. Okay, so for more details, visit the official website. This is your website. You can go through it. Thank you.